David Meyer. I grew up in Bloomington, Normal, Illinois. I'm the captain of the boat. We have been in yachting now for a full time, bit over a year.
My name is Arlene. I grew up in the Philippines and then I grew up in Japan with my family. I am a chef on this yacht. I've been cooking professionally for 6 years.
What led us to OLF was marriage issues that were caused by me, by pride, arrogance. I allowed things into my life that proved very destructive.
I know that for a long time I had experienced a lot of loneliness and anger issue that I had just kept inside me, and that led to some issues within our marriage. Well, at first I was very hesitant to use the OLF ministry because we had been going to 5 different counselors, therapists, and I was like, oh my goodness, this is just another repeat of what we went through. But you know what? I was surprised. The change was so dramatic that I realized I was proven wrong. This is not the run-of-the-mill ministry. I wish every ministry has the same program that Richard Moll passed. The update as far as our marriage goes. I feel that we have made such tremendous progress in our relationship. I don't have that anxiety anymore. I don't have that depression thoughts. I don't have those negative feelings anymore that I used to have. And really the biggest thing is I can trust David. I trust both of us moving forward. We're able to dream together. We feel that since we have been there, we're able to also show our friends it can be done.
The way I would first say anybody contemplating getting ministry at Life Force would be do it before it's too late. I through this, one of the toughest questions I've had to ask myself is how would the last several years of our marriage been had I gone years ago? That's a tough one to look at. So when I think about that, it's like don't walk, run, go. It can't get any worse. Okay? But it can sure get a lot better.
This ministry is very impactful, not only to individuals, couples, but to families. When you have an intact family, that has a reverberation in the next generation.
Kind of a joke. I see these places around town, these ads for ministries, this and that other, changing lives one at a time. This one does. This one does. And it can only be done through your financial support. How many more lives could be changed if the staff could grow of people that are trained to do what they do at OLF? And I think for my last words, I'm going to use a prop if that's okay. Before we started this process, we were hanging on to a rope, but we were swimming on our own, at least for me. I can't speak for her. This was our hope, was just a rope. And then we found Operation Life Force that gave us a life ring. And now we're back on the boat and able to continue the journey. And I'm grateful for that.